This video serves as general information only and is not intended as a replacement for your car seat owner's manual. Do not install a car seat without first reading your car seat owner's manual and your vehicle owner's manual. Do not use both the vehicle's seatbelt system and the latch system at the same time. When a forward-facing car seat is equipped with a tether strap, it is important to use the tether strap to secure the car seat to your vehicle seat. Attach the car seat tether hook to the vehicle tether anchor and pull to tighten. Never attach your car seat tether to cargo hooks or any other part of your vehicle. Always refer to your vehicle owner's manual for tether anchor location. Tether anchors can be easily confused with cargo hooks. Cargo hooks are not strong enough to hold the car seat tether strap in the event of a crash.
When installing the car seat by using the seat belt, you want to pull the seat belt out, thread it through the back path in the back of the seat and buckling it. After you've buckled the seat belt, pull the seat belt all the way out and then slowly ratchet the seat belt back in. Use your weight and place your knee into the seat, pulling on the seat belt to tighten it. Once installed, the seat should not move more than an inch from the right to the left, always testing where the seat belt is going through at the belt path.
To summarize, when installing a forward-facing car seat, always use the tether straps. Hook the car seat's tether to the vehicle's tether anchor and pull to tighten. Pull the vehicle's seat belt out and thread the buckle through the slots in the back of the car seat and out the other side. Then buckle the seat belt. Pull the seat belt all the way out, then ratchet back in the excess belt. Use your knee to put all your weight into the seat and pull on the seat belt near the buckle to tighten. Testing at the belt path location, the car seat should not move more than an inch from the right to the left. Before attempting to install any car seat, always read the car seat owner's manual and the child restraint section of your vehicle owner's manual.
We hope you find this information to be helpful. We want you and your family to always be safe on Georgia's roadways.
For more information on how to keep your kids safe while riding in a vehicle, please visit our website at iRideSafe.com.
iRideSafe is a public service program of Montlick & Associates, trusted by Georgia families for over 30 years.